So I've been battling my phobia of loud noises. My inspiration, if you can believe it, was back in March of 2020 when Donald Trump and some of the state governors were very upset about college students going to the beach during spring break and spreading COVID-19. And they were showing footage of the college students doing that. And I was disappointed, not at COVID-19, but at myself that I could never do anything like that because I don't like loud noises. And I made it my goal for the rest of the year to get over that. So I decided to make a chart of the level of fear I had for loud noises over the last few years. And my fears were especially high during the winter time because I have wintertime depression as it is. And last 2 years ago in late 2019, I was very depressed because I was getting ready to propose to my girlfriend, and I thought that my time as a single guy was coming to an end. So that added to the fear of loud noises. And then we went into springtime, and then after we couldn't participate in any activities and loud noises, that's all I wanted to do. And so I started to lose a ton of that fear. I started to go out to the park, to the walking trails, and so my fear of loud noises really fell off a cliff. And then I started to go, I had a favorite restaurant that I frequented at the beginning of the pandemic. And it got busier and busier as the reopenings progressed, and I got over that as well. And then I moved out to Montana where we're in phase 3, and I took up bowling, and I really got over that. At first I only went during the quieter hours, and then I went during Thunder Extreme. And now we're at the beginning of 2021, and I actually love loud noises, so that's why the chart goes negative. And here's my projection for the rest of the year. I'm still going to have wintertime depression, and I'm still going to love the loud noises less during the wintertime, but I think I've successfully conquered some of these fears. Hopefully we'll go on the pandemic will end, and I'll actually go to the beach somewhere.